I have been on social media for 4+ years now, and at one point I was getting 10 million views a month. So in this video I want to run you through everything I have learned from doing that, and also getting clients through my content and being able to get my clients through their content as well, and growing them on social media. Let's get into the video. There are 3 main things I've learned from all of this, and I'm going to reveal them one by one. As you can see, I've just used some Amazon cardboard for this, but I'm going to reveal them one by one. So number 1 is short form plus long form equals dosh, okay? And a lot of people just choose one platform to post on, and I think that's the completely wrong way to go about it, because we're in something called a trust recession, okay? Short form content is too short, okay? You can't give away a lot of value in short form videos. As you probably know, it's like 60 to 1 minute 30, otherwise your videos don't do well at all, okay? So we're in something called a trust recession right now, and people don't trust as much anymore, okay? That means they're not going to buy from you, okay? So what you need to do is build up trust with them, and the only way you do that is through short form plus longer form, because it builds up that 7 hours worth of trust. And there's actually a study that shows that people who buy from you watch 7 hours of your content plus get hit from 7 different touch points, okay? And the things I like to focus on is long form and short form. So what I do is I get all the attention from short form, and I try to promote it on my stories, my longer form, to lead them over there, or have a link in my Instagram profile, or just my profiles in general, and they go over to my longer form, okay, and they watch it. Or if, let's just say, I start a conversation with one of the prospects that's interacted with my content and they don't seem warm enough yet, guess what I'll do? I'll send them over a longer form piece of content, and then they can go through that, and then they're going to keep on getting hit with my longer form pieces of content, because that's how the YouTube algorithm works. When someone watches one of your pieces of content on your homepage, you're going to keep on seeing them over and over again. So that's why I think longer form and shorter form are like the GOAT, okay? The greatest of all time, because short form gets the attention and long form nurtures the attention. So if you're just posting short form at the moment, I highly suggest you get onto long form as well, because it builds up so much more trust than just posting shorter form. So that's number 1. And by the way, guys, if you're a business owner and you're making 6 figures plus a year, and you want to build a personal brand and have your content done for you and get 15 extra clients within 90 days guaranteed, or you get a full refund, just check out the first link in the description. It will take you to a video going through what we do in more detail. But back to the video. So the second thing that I want to go through is, most of you have been told a lie that there's secret hacks to growing and getting clients through social media. Well, that's actually false, okay? It's not true at all. There's a lot of people that say, oh, hashtags matter, oh, post at this time, post at that time. None of that really matters. The only thing that truly matters is your video. Is it good? Okay, is the video good? If it's good, it's going to get pushed out to more people. But there are 2 metrics that are super important, and it links with if the video is good or not. 1 is watch time. If your watch time's high, it's going to get pushed out to more people. 2 is shares and saves. If it's going to get shared to more people, and those people come onto the app, it's going to get pushed out to more people. So Instagram, TikTok, whatever, every social media platform, really, those are the metrics that matter, because the social media apps want you to stay on their app as long as possible, so you keep seeing advertisements and you actually keep on buying from those advertisements, and the people who are running those advertisements are spending more money, so Instagram or whatever platform you're posting on makes money from that, okay? So they want you to stay on the app as long as possible, and those are the only 2 metrics that matter. There's no BS like hashtags, posting times, everything like that. None of that truly matters. And I'm being serious right now. You've been told a lie this whole time about social media. All of these secret hacks. This is a secret hack to do this. Post at this time. Use these hashtags. Use this script structure. Use this, use that. No, the only thing that really matters is watch time and shares and saves, especially on Instagram, okay? So you need to make sure those 2 things are as high as possible. And you can do that by having a good video, having a video that people actually want to watch and people actually get value from. So there's no secret hacks, and I'm saying most secret hacks are really pointless, except like some certain things that I'm actually probably going to go through in this video. But most hacks are BS, okay? They don't work, and I've tested this. I've posted at a certain time. I've posted with hashtags, without hashtags. Like, it doesn't really make a difference at all. The only thing I would say that is important, especially in the description of your video, is if it's search engine optimized. So if you have keywords in it that people are searching up, this would just get you more views because people are searching that said thing up. But most secret hacks don't actually matter at all, and I want to be the one to tell you this because I know for a fact they don't matter at all. So just focus on trying to get your watch time as high as possible and trying to get the most amount of shares as possible. Make your videos controversial, give value, actually say at the end, send this to a friend who wants to so and so, who wants to get a big chest, for example, and this will get people to actually send it to someone, meaning they've shared it. And third and finally, you've probably been told the hook is the most important aspect of your videos, but it's actually not. And that's why I said most hacks are BS, some hacks are actually good. And the hook isn't actually the most important aspect. It's actually something called the interest peak, okay? So the hook hooks your viewer in. Yes, amazing, wow. But what do people do after they get hooked in? They're going to scroll off straight away after the first like 3 to 5 seconds. So what you need to do is intrigue them for more, and that's where the interest peak comes in. That's exactly what an interest peak is. An interest peak intrigues people for more, to watch longer, increasing watch time, meaning your videos would be pushed out to more people. As I said, the most important metrics, watch time and shares, etc. So a hook is first, then it comes an interest peak. And again, an interest peak is basically intriguing your viewer for more. So for example, let's just say one of my hooks is, if you keep on bench pressing, your chest is going to stay the exact same size. Even Chris Bumstead, who has won Mr. Olympia 7 times, doesn't bench press. That's an interest peak, as you can see what I'm doing. The hook was at the start, then I intrigued them for more. I said, that's an authority endorsement. I'm using an authority as leverage. Chris Bumstead, he doesn't bench press. And it's intriguing them for more. It's intriguing them to want to watch more so they can see what he does instead, because he's won Mr. Olympia 7 times. Who wouldn't want to know if they want to get a big chest? Okay, so you're intriguing the viewers for more. Okay, super important. The interest peak is way more important than the hook, I think, because it keeps people watching, increasing watch time. Most people stay for the first 3 seconds anyway. Like, yes, have you seen people on TikTok, they scroll really fast, but if they see something that's eye-catching, they are going to stay for the first 3 seconds. Then the interest peak, you need to make sure that's dialed so they stay on longer, so your video gets pushed out to more people, okay? So those are the 3 main things I've learned, especially if you want to make money through your content and also grow your account. So first is long form plus short form plus long form. Post short form, get the attention, move people over to longer form to nurture. And second is most hacks are bullshit, okay? They don't work. Posting time doesn't matter. Hashtags don't really matter. The only thing that matters is getting your watch time high and also getting people sharing your video, etc. And the third thing is interest peak is way more important than the hook because it's intriguing the viewers for more. Okay, so there you have it. Those are the 3 most important things I've learned throughout my 4-year content creation journey. I know this was quite a quick video, but I hope you got some value from it, and I hope you start implementing the things that I just said so you don't have to go through all the trials and tribulations I went through on my journey so far. But I hope you got some value from this. If you are a business owner and you want to up your content game, get clients through your content as well, subscribe, because I try and post content like this at least 2 times a week. And yeah, I hope you got some value from this, and peace.